No, I think I'll stay in tonight. Skip the conversations and the oh, I'm fine. No, I'm no stranger to surprise. This paper town has let me down too.
Hey guys. Oh god, I always go really weird when I say hey guys. Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey. Hey guys. Today I am showing you my Victoria's Secret hair. This is how I like to do my hair. I've sort of noticed that like a lot of the Victoria's Secret things lately is of course always their signature tousled hair, but it's been super kind of like airy and breezy, especially like with spring coming up and everybody going on vacations and things. You just want this kind of like effortless, I slept and my hair turned out like this sort of curl. So that's what I'm showing you guys today. And without further ado, I don't have anything else left to talk about, so I'm just going to take you guys into the video and show you how I got these curls. To start out, I'm using the Orbe Super Shine Light Moisturizing Cream. This is my favorite cream. This stuff makes your hair smell like an angel's hair. I don't know. It just is really good. It's really like kind of fresh and slightly fruity. So I like to stick just a tiny bit of that, typically right when I get out of the shower. My hair isn't super wet right now, so I put a teeny tiny like pea-sized amount, and that's typically what I use because a little bit of that stuff goes a long way. And then after that, this is when I blow dry my hair, but I also use this when I curl my hair. So depending on if my hair is wet or dry, I'll put it on either way because it's a nice spray. But this is Way's Smooth Spray, and this is actually like a thermal protection spray. You would not know that it is actually. And I'm just going to spray some of this into my hair, and it's like actually a proper mist when you squirt it, not like some of those sprays that are just like meh and like just meh in one spot. Proper mist. I always stick a little bit in the front pieces of my hair with my hands. After that, I'm just going to blow dry my hair super quick. I'm using my personal favorite blow dryer, which is the T3 Micro. T3 products I've had forever. I've found them to be quite trusty compared to some of the cheaper brands that I've used to use in the past. I don't know if that was a real sentence, but let's just pretend that it was. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair quick. Boom, hair dried. I just got the mini one because I didn't feel like I needed like the giant one, and then I could travel with it. The curling iron that I'm using is my T3 Whirl, and this guy I have had since 2013. I got it during one of the Sephora sales, and it is still like really going strong. I'm really impressed with this guy. I'm using the 1.5 inch barrel, I believe this is. Typically for my part, I just kind of like wing it and let my hair fall wherever it's deciding to fall, which is here today. I take a chunk of hair, just like a thin piece from the front part of my hair. Everybody always is like, take an inch of your hair, and I'm like, what is an inch of my hair? I don't even know how to, do I take a measuring? Like, I don't know. I don't know what an inch of my hair is, so I just take a small chunk of the front part of my hair, and rather than like going down and curling it like that, I'm pulling it up and curling it like this. And I typically let it sit for like 8 to 15 to 20 seconds depending on how thick the piece of hair is. And I'm not timing this one because I've been talking this entire time, so I don't know how long I'm actually holding this piece on, so I think that's probably good. Then I hold the curl in my hand like this for a second, typically the same amount of time that I've held it on the iron, just so that it can kind of cool off and not completely fall out right away. See how much, like, that's really curly. Okay, relax a little bit. Okay, that's a little bit better. And I'm just going to literally do that around my entire head, just like little piece after little piece. And this typically takes me like 10 to 15 minutes doing it like this, because I'm doing like an entire section of my hair. I'm not doing like the bottom section and then the top section and I'm curling all of the pieces the same way away from my face. Sometimes I'll do them in separate ways because I think it looks a little bit more tousled, but that's not the look that I am going for today, so I am just doing them all the same way. Ooh, that one was hot. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna put music on. Wow, I got a text from Mom that says love you. I love you too, Mom. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna burn myself. And we already did it. So now that I've curled all of my hair, before I like tousle it, shake it out, I typically go over a few of the top pieces that I think need a little bit of a boost of a curl. Typically like the front pieces and then like 2 or 3 back pieces here. And the reason that I do that rather than just doing like the bottom part of my hair and then the top part of my hair is because it's a lot faster to do it this way. It doesn't really make that much of a difference if you do it this way and then just do a couple pieces on top. And then from here, I typically will let my hair sit for another minute before I do anything else to it. I typically put 2 to 3 things in my hair after this. I use the R&Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. This stuff smells so amazing. It's not like too powdery or light on dark hair. It just like smells so good. And I try to keep this a little bit more in the roots. It has almost kind of like a tropical smell, like what you want tanning oil or sunscreen to smell like. Really good. It doesn't smell like sunscreen, it's just like almost like that, is it Hawaiian Tropic? Like that sort of scent that they're trying to go for there, but like really good. And this is the IGK Beach Club texture spray. And this is like the perfect complementary spray to that dry shampoo. They smell like relatively similar. Let me see like how similar it is. This one is like sweeter, this one is more like tropical, but they have sort of the same level of scent, if that makes sense. And I like to use this texture spray because it adds texture, but you can still like run your fingers through your hair easily. So then you have these like beautiful, luscious, voluminous curls from your dry shampoo and your texture spray, and not shaking your hair out too early. Easy and beautiful and kind of like effortless like this. Like, yeah, I just woke up with my hair like this, you know. That's just what happens when it's all like tousled and wet on my pillow, and then I just wake up and it's curled and beautiful. I mean, what happens to your hair in the morning? I don't know. I'm a YouTuber, that's what happens to my hair. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to join the Clementine family. Say thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. I'll see you in my next video.